How to change avatar on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile at the top. Here, tap on Edit Profile as shown. Go to the Avatar section and tap on Edit beside it. Now, tap on Appearance at the bottom. Over here, you can now change and edit your avatar as you like. You can change the style, hair, makeup, face, body and many more. There are various options available to choose from. Once you're done, tap on Save at the top right corner. You have now successfully updated your avatar on Facebook. You can turn on the Show on Profile option below. This displays your animated avatar when you swipe your profile picture. Following these steps, you can easily change avatar on Facebook.